intro. All right, guys, we are very excited today to bring to you the world's most treasure skate park.
Yep, it is very treasure.
So tell us about the history of this park, Mr. Justin Daniel Sanchez.
I know pretty much nothing about it.
He just told me. The guy who made this skate park was at Braille on Tuesday.
Yeah, I know who he is.
Well, what's his name? On the spot. Shout out that guy who made this skate park. You're the absolute best for putting this here for all the community. It is sick, it is gnarly, and I don't think there's anything I can do here.
Oh yeah, you got plenty of stuff.
Okay.
Kickflip on flat.
Wall.
All right, let's go then.
What?
All right, go first.
No, I want to see a game of skate. I want to see him do it. I want to see him shred.
JD?
Yeah, because if you
he won. Shred.
He plays you a game of skate, he'll have to go easy. Oh.
Put the knee pads on him.
This is a giant puddle right in front of the perfect vert wall.
This is San Francisco's version of Burnside.
Yeah,
If you
huh?
could drop in on that red thing with the bricks, I will give you $3. Oh, that's chill. This is chilling.
Bruh.
Yeah, I'm gonna roll up it first and come down.
Maybe like do everything else first and then come down.
Okay.
Glow, why aren't you shredding? This is your park.
This is one skate park. I don't think I could do one thing here.
What? On the pill, baby.
Yo, that's sketchier than the other one.
What are you talking about?
It's actually a lot scarier than it might have looked.
Me.
Yes, sir. Barely landed that.
We got a follow cam. We need that follow cam.
To be honest with you, you might need to.
Oh, you don't think I can? Where are you going to go?
Just skates fast.
I got you. Leave it in the comments below if you want the follow cam. And if I go down, the camera's done, I'm done, we're all done. Channel's dead. You know, I'd really be.
Oh my god!
What? Give it up to the follow cam, everyone.
Almost
Give
bodied
it up.
me.
Almost killed the kid right
Leave it
there.
in the comments below. That's the best follow cam you've ever seen.
You've seen what that angle looked like right there when he was coming down from that backside air. Woo!
I'm about to ollie this thing.
All right, I guess I'll give it back to Gabe Cruz.
It's kind of smooth.
Holy!
What in the world are you feeding that kid?
You gonna hit the drop in?
No, you hit the drop in.
I don't have a board.
I love how you always conveniently don't have a board. JD, on a 1 to 0, how's this? So you know what? You only live once! Ah! Oh my!
See, look at that. That was easy.
That was hella sketchy.
Okay, you ready? They said there was treasure on this island.
We could film a whole Vert Dogs episode here where you just drop in on everything in the park.
I know, I thought about it and then I was like, beep, that. You know, I'll skate this mini ramp though. Let's go. Well, this is fine with one giant thing. Whoa! Okay, never mind. This ain't a mini ramp.
Oh, that is pretty fast.
Gnarly. Yeah. I love how it just flows through everything. Like
Yeah.
All 39 years of my life just went dead.
That's how I want you to do it. Nose grab and all.
If I could just rip the steez out of his, never mind. Whoa!
Let's go!
Get out of town!
Oh, yeah, that's chilling.
Vert Dogs! Hey, orderly, spelly! Yeah!
Wow.
Did you say this is the burnside of San Francisco?
I guess so, yeah.
How do you get up there?
You just walk across.
No. The pool cupping stands up higher, sticks up higher, so it's way sketchier. You know, in a roller coaster, when you start going down, your stomach feels like that?
Yeah.
That's what watching him made me feel.
Really?
Yeah.
I think you made it look super easy.
No. What did you just say? Holy mother.
You got it. Narrow challenge. Yeah.
Oh! There's nails and broken glass. There's beer. This wall is literally made out of beer cans. Oh. Holy mother.
I didn't see that one.
Your board's backwards.
Holy. Gabe? Now I'm up here. Holy mother. I wish you, it's literally the pool cupping on the back end.
Uh-huh.
It's
And that's
just
it?
the pool cupping,
Holy.
and it's breaking off
No way.
on the other side. My stomach hurts. I feel sick. I feel like I'm gonna throw up. Should I do it?
You should do it if you feel like you could do it and you're confident in your ability.
I feel like if I die down there, it's not a bad place to die.
Glow, you think you could do it?
100%.
Look at that. It's literally over, Vert.
It's not.
No, it's not.
Look, look!
Not from right here.
Do that last if you're gonna do it. No, no, no. Get out of there. No, JD, over here. Do this one.
You're good.
No, 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 no.
That's a solid 4 feet of vert.
Babe, I think I hate him. I think I actually hate him at this point in time. Fear off the dog!
Yeah.
No, 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 no.
Yeah. Yeah.
Should I? Should I?
Yeah. Get on.
Ah! Ah! Go! Oh! Oh!
I got tears in my eyes. Oh, that was beautiful, inspirational.
I
was beyond it.
Never give up.
I'm the most hesh skater this world has ever seen.
Oh my god. All right, you owe him a channel gap.
Alright, let's get it.
Be safe, please.
How are you
It's
feeling?
Deadly scary.
How are you feeling?
On the top of it, you got to get up there and just film the top just to show the people how deadly it is.
Oh!
That's so easy.
You may as well just kick me in the balls just then. He literally does this. That was so easy.
Did you see when he
That was
rolled
gonna be
away?
hard.
Rolled away, hands at his side, he goes like this, shrugs.
Fight me. Just kidding, don't.
Whoa.
Board!
Knee pad? Look at that. It's literally like nails sticking up. Don't worry, they're nice and rusty. They said, you can't do anything at Treasure Island. And I said, come at me. Benihana. Why? I'll get his back. I'll get his back. Okay.
Megaline.
That was a chill mega line.
Mega line. This one right here is for Ricky Glazer. If you know, you know.
I knew it.
No.
Ah, can't do that. Yeah.
Right to the tail. Beautiful.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad I could carry this video. Maybe next time JD will actually do some tricks. As you can see, my vert skills are top notch. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Check out all those other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at BrailleSkateboarding.com.
Skate park is a real hidden treasure.
Yeah.